Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn off contacts on the TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all you have to open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on the profile from the right bottom. Once you will do it, now you are in your profile of the TikTok. You have to click on the three lines on the right top, and from here you have to click on the privacy. And in the privacy you will see multiple options. You will see synchronize contact and Facebook friend. Simply you have to tap on it and you have to turn this toggle off like this. So once you will turn off this toggle, your synchronization of the contacts with the TikTok will be turned off. So this is the procedure to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.